Good morning, scholars. This is Miss Basso, and I'm going to be going over Module 4, Unit 3, Lesson 1. To start our lesson off, I'm going to be reading you a little story that I heard from a friend. So you can either choose to look at this picture of this sidewalk lined with trees, or I might encourage you to close your eyes while you listen to the story and allow your imagination to come up with the illustrations. Either one. All right, so this is a story from a friend about her little girl. Every day, anywhere they were going, the little girl would suddenly stop, no matter how much of a rush she and her mom were in. Finally, her mom stopped to look and see what her daughter was doing. It turns out that the little girl was just staring at a tree that they had just walked by. Her mom was very confused and said, "What are you looking at, honey? We have to go. If we stop too long, we're going to be late." The little girl said, "If we stop for just a little bit, we won't be late, and this tree is so pretty. The leaves are so green, the flowers smell so good, the bark is so bumpy, and there's a bird's nest in the branches." This made her mom stop and look at the green leaves, smell the flowers, touch the bumpy bark. She looked at her daughter and said, "You know what? You're right. It has been so long since I have stopped to just look at the trees. They are really amazing." The little girl inspired her mother. After that day, they left the house 5 minutes early so that they could spend just a little bit of time looking at the beautiful trees wherever they were going. All right, so here's some images that you can see if maybe you were imagining the same things as the story was read. So there's the green leaves, there's the flowers, there's the bird's nest, and there's the bumpy bark. All right, so a couple key words for us to look at. The first word is the word enjoy. So the word enjoy means to find pleasure in something. The next word is the word appreciate. That means to feel the value in something or care about something. So think back to the story that I just read you. What did the little girl inspire her mother to do that she was not doing before? What did the little girl inspire her mother to do that she was not doing before? So if you said that she inspired her mother to look at the trees, you are correct. So why do you think that this little girl wanted to inspire her mother? And there's really no right or wrong answer. It's your opinion. But you might have said something like she wanted her to see how beautiful and lovely trees were. Right? And then the last question is, how do you think that she was able to inspire her mother? How do you think she was able to inspire her mother? So you may have said something like the little girl had read lots of books about trees, knew a lot about trees. She had studied about trees just like we've been doing. And she has a lot of information that she wants to share with others. Okay, so that leads us into our Unit 3 guiding question. And that is, how can I inspire others to appreciate and enjoy trees? All right, so this is what we're going to be working on in this unit. So right here, you see a little postcard that a scholar has made. They have chosen to draw a leaf. They've added lots of details to their leaf, and they've attached some writing to their artwork. Their writing says, "A tree is nice because trees have leaves that make the world a better place." So this scholar has used everything that we have learned so far. They have chosen a part of the tree to draw, and they have written their opinion of why trees are nice. So over the next few days, next couple weeks, you guys are going to have the opportunity to make your own tree appreciation card. So today you're just looking at the model. You don't have to do anything. If you'd like to start to sketch one, that's fine, but you definitely don't have to do that for today's lesson. This is just the example to show what we're going to be working on in the future. Okay, so that wraps up today's lesson. If you will also make sure that you watch the attached video, We Planted a Tree. That is today's story for today. And as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to your child's teacher. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.